Hello, if you don't know me, my name is Jonah Blake and I'm the co-founder of LiveFrame. We are building a next generation creator editing, distribution, and AI software. And I'm going to give you a demo today. More importantly, this video is being made because a lot of clippers, distributors, and creators don't necessarily know what we're doing or why it's so impactful. And so if you are a clipper right now, I know there's a lot of inbound coming for our software just getting out of alpha. If you're a clipper, this video is the right video to watch because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use our system and how to make money with us. And again, thank you for allowing us to help you and giving us your trust and your business. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right. So what are you seeing here? Every customer I'm going to show you today here is an active and paying customer or a brand. In this case, this is Windwalk. They are building an amazing game that's a competitor or a co-pilot to Hades 2. It's called Sworn. I love these guys. Big shout out to them. The game's actually really fun. You should check it out. You're going to see two algorithms running at the same time here. The first is what we internally call hype score. That's this right here. Just to prove that I'm not, BSing you and that this is happening in real time. This is some random person on Twitch playing the game. You can see, I don't know how many people they have, but I don't know this person, they don't know me. So this is happening live right now. And this is the audio footprint, the imprint. It's looking for what this person's saying, how they're saying it, at what decibel level, what frequency, are there certain patterns, what's happening in the game, is there a certain game sound or cue? There's well over 200 different cues that create a real-time hype score. And this is being measured every half second on top of the Twitch API. Now, it'll also work on Kick, YouTube, and others coming soon. You can actually do that right now anyway through multi-stream. If you're a creator watching this, you can use this, just have a Twitch channel open, and then you can still multi-stream anywhere, including X, or if you're watching this on LinkedIn. Next, what does this mean for content? I'm going to show you what this looks like in another customer. This is called Kalshi. Kalshi is an $11 billion plus prediction market. So we're not doing just games. We do sports, games, gambling, DeFi, prediction markets, anything you can think of, our AI can do it. So let's go ahead and we're going to look at this guy. I like this creator a lot. This is Loxy. He's a prediction market trader and he streams. He's got a big audience. He's not streaming now. But what happened is while he was streaming in real time, these clips were originating. What makes us different from Opus, Clips, or Restream or StreamYard is they do what's called post-processing. A clip will not be created unless the stream has ended. That's not the case with us. We do what's called real-time processing. So what does that mean? It means that these clips are being originated while a stream is running. So you can just get to market even faster and work with your clippers or your editors. Now these clips get scores on our second algorithm that we call virality filter, in which case this one got an 84. Virality filter tells you why it likes the clip, what second intervals it likes the clip, and where it believes it should be posted based on that frequency. So like, for example, here is Mr. Loxy talking about the prediction market on what Caroline Levitt will say during the White House press briefing. And I guess he did pretty well here. I won't, leak the audio just because this is a business demo. This is all running real time all the time. I can even show you another customer called Forecast, which is another market, right? We can also do TCGs. And here is a great streamer by the name of Dub, who is opening up card packs, and the clips are being ranked based on the types of cards he's opening because it evolves his excitement. But we're going to go back to Kalshi and we're going to go ahead and say, we've got the clips, right? How do we distribute these clips? It's one thing for our AI to measure the streamers and help us track them and learn about them and get data on them. But how do we take those clips and make them actionable for a campaign for a clipper? Very easy. So from our business portal, or let's say this is a good clip, we're going to put this in Kalshi Clippers 4 and Kalshi regular Clippers. We're going to save that folder. Now, there are several folders here. This is where we have a competitive potential advantage to something like a WAP or other clipping campaign softwares. What you saw was the content attribution. Now we're getting into the clipper and the content distribution. Every folder is not just an originator of where you can access content. But not only is it a place to gather content from the clipper, but it's also a way to track it in real time and do on-chain payments. This is an active campaign right now for Kalshi, and these are real clippers getting real views. And what's really cool is we're doing on-chain analytics and on-chain payments. So when a clipper or a creator makes an email account with us, they automatically get a Coinbase developer wallet. It means clippers and creators using these folders can get paid in real time for making, posting, and creating content. It's measured by our AI, and we can pay them in stable coins. We can pay them in EVM tokens. We can pay them in SVM tokens. We can pay them in anything that a Coinbase wallet can do. We can also do, and it's cheaper for fees. It's faster settlement. It's better tracking for taxes and doing the creator tax filings like your W-9s, your W-10s, your contractor agreements. It is a net better system than what exists with Web2 payments infrastructure. And we can offload it via Bridge or another off-ramping software and do it completely legally regulated, KYC, ML, everything for a normal business to just have a more efficient system. Now, these payments are on chain. We have it being paid through Base. Right now, these are being paid in real time, as you can see. And now I'm going to show you what this looks like from the creator and the clipper's perspective. These are all the clips that our AI has surfaced from the various streamers that we're targeting. All of their rankings you see on the right-hand side here. We can just download one. If you're a clipper, it's simple as this. You go to My Submissions, and this is where you add your TikTok, your YouTube, or your Twitter, or all of them. I'm on an admin account, so I'm not going to do it here, but it does work. Our clippers are already doing this. Also, when there's Stream to Earn coming next month, you'll be able to connect via your Twitch, and also Kick. We'll be working on Kick. Now, what would happen is you're going to go to your timeline. Let's just say like this was your clip for some reason. You're going to copy this link, right? You're going to go back to My Submissions. You're going to have one of these connected, and then there's going to say, great, once you have this connected, post the link. And then you just copy and paste, and boom, you are done. And where it'll look like for me on the back end, this is our business portal, it'll be under pending reviews. So here is a bunch of videos that people have made across YouTube, TikTok, and X that are being tracked in real time, and we can pay them in real time. So let's just like look at one now. This is Isaac Saluka. He's one of our clippers. Let's check what the video was. We can check this in real time here on YouTube. He's gaining 1.5K views in the last 2 days. Very good. That's pretty good for a YouTube video. So we're going to go back here and we're going to approve it. You did a good job. Now I know all these clippers, so I'm going to eventually approve all of them, but Subversion's another one who I consider to be a fantastic clipper. You know, he's putting out a lot of great content. I'm going to approve him because I know those videos do well over time. Let's just go and approve all these guys because I know them. They're part of my clipper network. You can see that their engagements, their views are going up across the trending. Of course, we're getting most of our views from YouTube. And we can go to view all payouts and you can see there's more pending, approved, and being paid out here. But yeah, if you are a clipper, this is how the software works. There's no downloads of the software needed. Your payment system is originated the minute you make an email. There's no password you need to know for making an account because there's a new password to regenerate every time through your email code. If you got this far, I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for allowing me to pitch you on what I believe is the future of content and something I put a lot of my own sweat and money into. You know, I quit my agency work and all my other client work and a lot of my creator work. I was making a lot of money because I believe that this is the future in an AI world. I still believe people really want human connection and engagement and want human interaction live. I think live media is what I call the final internet. And this is my answer to that theory. And I believe I'm correct and time will tell. That's it. Thank you for getting this far. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video because I will absolutely be shilling you my product until forever.